We are having Gate Borborbor Society. We hail from Lashibi Shalom Spot under the Nungwa traditional area and Tema West Municipal Assembly. Our local leadership as a group is guided by Ni Boteklan the First Klagon Manche. Lashibi under the Tema West Municipal Assembly is a business community. We proudly descend from our ancestors known for unity and bravery. Our members of parliament is Honorable Lawyer James Enu, a distinguished lawyer and a chairman to Ghana Gaming Commission, a married man and a father of 3 beautiful girls. Honorable Ludwig Totime is our chief municipal executive. Honorable Justice Yao Tete is our assemblyman, Lashibi Electoral Area. We honored Mr. John Debra, lawyer Emmanuel Debra, Mr. Charles Anyadome, and Madam Apesia Janet for their support on our culture and community. Besides Borborbor, we have traditional music and dance like Adbaja. Having Gate Borborbor Society, formerly called Jibodi, was founded in the year 2016 by Mr. Abodise and handed over to our current chairman, Chairman Lucas Asilevi, with a total number of 8. And we have dedicated 8 years to establish this Borborbor Society to preserving and promoting African traditional music known as Borborbor into bracket Akpese. We represent districts and regional program in the year 2024 as a group. Our source of funds are through programs like graduation, marriages, funerals, parties, adorings, and etc. Our internal funds derived from the sales of our group materials. Currently, having Gate Borborbor Society have registered membership boosted to 105 members, compared with 87 male and then 56 female. These were gathered by 9 member executives, 4 patrons, and 1 lawyer, Lawyer Evelyn Nufo, a motorist lawyer in one of the law firm. Our motto as a group is Nutifafa Blelonlo. Viewers, vote for Heaven Gate Borborbor Society by dialing *920 *922 #12. Let me repeat the number again. Vote for Heaven Gate Borborbor Society by dialing *920 *922 #12. We are Heaven Gate Borborbor from Lashibi. To help us gain the winner for the National Borborbor Championship Program 2025 at the Borborbor Carnival, which is upcoming in the year 2025. Please, your support and vote mean everything to us.